How to add UPI payment gateway in GoDaddy website 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add UPI payment gateway in GoDaddy website. So there are two methods which you can use and add UPI payment gateway in GoDaddy website in 2025. So let me tell you about the first one. So first of all, you have to create a Razorpay account. So for that, you have to go to razorpay.com and you just have to sign up as a business and complete the KYC and link your bank account. After that, you have to create a payment button. Go to Razorpay dashboard and click on payment button and choose a type like buy now or donate or custom. And after that, you have to set up your product details and enable UPI in payment methods and generate and copy the HTML code. And after that, you have to add to GoDaddy website. If using GoDaddy website builder, you have to add an HTML section to your page. Paste the Razorpay payment button code. If using WordPress or GoDaddy hosting, you have to use an HTML block or a shortcode plugin to paste the Razorpay code. Alternatively, you can install the Razorpay plugins from WordPress plugins. And after that, you can test it. For that, you have to open the page and test a UPI payment using apps like GPay or PhonePe. And the second method is you can use InstaMojo, that is no code required. So for that, you have to go to instamojo.com/payment gateway, and after coming here, you have to create a payment link or smart link. First of all, you have to sign up to the instamojo.com, and then you have to copy the link and add it to your website as a button or pay now link. You can hyperlink it and to text like pay via UPI. And InstaMojo also supports UPI and requires minimal setups. And let me give you some bonus tips, like you can add UPI QR code, simple but not manual. You can generate a UPI QR code using PhonePe Business, Google Pay or Business or Razorpay QR. Take a screenshot and download the QR image. Add the image to your GoDaddy site with text. Scan to pay via UPI and add a field or link to collect payments confirmation like a WhatsApp or Google Form link. And that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.